Hello traders, I hope you have a profitable week. We are back with a new video and I am sure that you are going to enjoy it. First of all, thank you for all support that you are showing to the channel. In this video we are going to break down in fine details a setup that we shared on Premium channel in past weeks. We waited more than a week for price meets all our criteria for an entry. We started our analysis on daily time frame. The first thing that we must always do is to check market sentiment if we are in bullish trend, a bearish trend, or sideways. In order to define that we are going to highlight the structure, we noticed a clear uptrend with higher low and higher high. Then we noticed a break of last higher low, also called the break of structure. This is a sign of a trend reversal. After the break of last higher low, price almost every time make a pullback, and is exactly what we are showing in this chart. Now you are going to ask where the pullback will end. Every setup is different and similar with each other in the same time. We have three scenarios when the pullback might end. The first one at previous support that now could become a resistance level. Make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos. In the second scenario, price continued to pull back furthermore around the second to last higher high level. This is a classic trend change pattern based on the Dow theory. In the third scenario, price pullback 100%, creating in this way a double top pattern. Looking at current market structure, the Dow theory of trend change has more probability to happen. Now let's continue with our analysis. We are highlighting the supply zones that are potential level where the pullback might end. There are two supply zones close to each other. When we look at fixed volume profile on the right, we notice a high volume nodes that correlate with our supplies. We are going to shift on 4-hour time frame and highlight the daily session volume profile in the search for fresh point of control. We noticed two of them and correspond with each of our supply zones. We are highlighting them because are very strong levels and serve as a magnet for the price. Another aspect that you must look is the value area of the fixed volume on the right. We have marked it with a rectangle. Price tend to visit these areas. In volume profile analysis, the value area measures where the most buying and selling volume took place. The volume profile theory says that 70% of all asset prices will cluster around the value area. The edge of value area zone can serve as support or resistance. In our chart, the upper edge of the value area correlate perfectly with the edge of second supply zone. Price continued to pull back and touched the first supply zone. We had an engulfing candle right after the touch. Is it enough? There is no definitive answer because depends on other conditions. In some scenarios, price has met all our criteria and we need only candle rejection to confirm a trade, but in some others, as this one for example, we need to shift on lower time frame to check the structure. If you want to learn more about our strategy and be part of Premium channel, we offer a mentorship program. Check the link on the description to find more information. We shifted on lower time frame to analyze the structure. Even though price made an engulfing pattern, the trend inside the pullback move is still bullish. We have illustrated it with simple lines. Entering a sell trade in this moment is risky and immature because you never should enter against the trend without reversal confirmation, as we mentioned in the beginning of this video. So, we waited. Price continued the pullback with high strength and touched the edge of the first supply zone. We still don't have any confirmations to enter. The next supply and the point of control are very close and has high chance of touching them. Price reached the second supply and touched the point of control and rejected this level. Still the trend inside the pullback is bullish and our duty is to wait again, even though sometimes it gets a little frustrating. We saw that price continued in upside direction, but with less strength than before. As we can see, the edge of value area served as a strong resistance because price rejected strongly. We highlight again the developed structure to illustrate better. The final confirmation for our setup will be the break of last higher low of the mini uptrend. We cleaned a little bit the chart in order to focus on our confirmation structure. Price finally broke the structure. Recommended broker is Longhorn FX. We are going to mark the recent demand and supply zones that will drive the next price movement, the next price range. We have a demand zone that price already touched and a fresh supply zone that is going to be our entry level. For the target we are going to use the fresh point of control. When we look the bigger picture, price made all confirmations, rejected the 4-hour time frame supply and broke the structure on lower time frame. In this situation it is recommended to put stop loss above supply zone, or if you want more safer stop loss, you can put it above the all structure. But this will lower the reward. Price pullback perfectly at supply zone and dropped sharply. Our long wait has been rewarded. After the first impulse price made a long consolidation and then reached our final target. Thanks once again for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have learned something new to improve your trading. See you on the next video.